babae at ang kabayo. There. Come on, you point. Oh, very good.
Ang batang lalaki at ang eroplano.
Oh, it's a little. Lalaki is a batang lalaki. Oh, very good, you know.
Ang batang lalaki at ang aso.
Where is the batang lalaki?
This one.
Okay. Very good.
Ang
Yes.
batang lalaki sa itaas ng kabayo.
Batang lalaki is on top of the kabayo.
This one.
Is that a batang lalaki? I think it's a babae.
This one.
That's right. Come on, you control the mouse. And point. Very
Ang
good.
lalaki sa itaas ng kabayo.
Now it's a lalaki. On top of the kabayo.
This one.
Where, honey?
This one.
In lalaki is a man, right? He's on top of the kabayo. Where is it? Where, honey? Where is it pointing na? Okay. Click it. Very good.
Ang babae sa itaas ng kabayo.
This one, my throat.
Oh, you have more cold. Oh. Perfect. Now it's a babae. It's a woman. Now it's a woman. Alright. Very good.
I have to name this and this.
Come on, honey. Can you point where? Babae o sa itaas ng kabayo? Very good.
Ang bola sa itaas ng batang lalaki.
Oh, what's a bola?
That one.
Okay. Bola on top of the
Boy.
boy. That's
Ang
right.
batang lalaki sa ilalim ng eroplano.
A little man or a boy. Ilalim means under. Under the aeroplano. Where is aeroplano? Where's the boy under the aeroplano? Oh yeah? Let's try. Come on, you point the mouse and click. Great!
Ang batang lalaki sa ilalim ng bola.
That's right!
Then,
That's right.
Ang batang lalaki sa ilalim ng mesa.
Boy under the mesa. You know what a mesa is?
a day.
Ah? Table.
A table with a
Yeah.
table here.
Yeah. Does it look like a table?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A that table.
Very good.
Ang batang lalaki at ang aso.
Oh, batang lalaki and a
Also.
aso. Okay, point where? There, okay. Now, put the mouse there. Point the mouse there and click.
Ang
Great.
batang lalaki sa ilalim ng mesa.
Now it's a little boy under the mesa. That's right.
Then,
Ang batang lalaki sa itaas ng mesa.
Now, itaas means above.
above.
Yeah. Above the mesa. Very good.
Ang batang lalaki sa itaas ng eroplano.
Very good.
Ang batang lalaki sa ilalim ng eroplano.
Now, it's a batang lalaki under the aeroplano. Can you point, honey? Before you press the mouse button. Under the aeroplano. You don't want to answer anymore? You just want to smile? Can you smile?